I have always believed that society can be seen as an independent being or an ecological system like nature. What I pursue through my work is to visualize my perception of society as a social organism. So I focus on current issues such as discrimination, wars, famines, pollution, or like epidemics. Each event continuously repeats with some variance and leaves traces of tangible artifacts and intangible memories, attesting to the cycle of a dynamic society. I believe such perpetual ripples help us further understand society. So to realize this, I collect lots of images of contemporary issues as a fundamental process of my work. Then I dismantle the images using Photoshop or through my drawings and superimpose those fragments and then assimilate them into an enigmatic landscape. A lot of my time here includes taking a walk, enjoying the sceneries, going to the seas, and like sitting for a long time by the seas. So naturally, what I'm mostly doing here is creating a special relationship between this particular place in my work. And I think this tendency has come to be represented in color within my work. I started this work since October when I arrived here. So for this work, well, there is a big tree near Fine Artwork Center that seems to be almost like 300 years old enough. So whenever I see the tree, I think the history it may have seen. So since then, I have photographed a part of the tree on a single day, and on the same day, I collect social culture images from articles or Google or something like newspaper like that. The two images that's archived at the same days, I kind of want to see the story that it creates, so I layered all together. The paintings I have up at Penn right now, Foliage of the Seas, are all about the history of women today. The paintings look like bluish abstract paintings or landscapes of the seas at first glance, but I left small hints enough to hypothesize that some images may be hidden inside. So if viewers take a little more time to appreciate my painting, I think they can find some figures of human bodies or symbols of specific actions hidden in the work. Each painting tells the story of the phenomenon of women's rights demonstration in Iran, abortion right protests, and women's marches around the world. And I think the abstract pattern is also a very important stream right now for my work. So the geometric symbols distributed throughout the paintings, those came from shape rulers. I regarded geometrical shapes as non-verbal languages made under universal agreement, along with organic figures. And also I considered that they revealed one aspect of our society. So I made multiple abstract patterns by overlapping several transparent shape rulers and depicted them to visualize the complexity of our society. This special place has been a lot of influence on my work. I have lived in big cities such as Seoul in South Korea, Chicago, and New York. So being in nature and staying far away from the big cities, I think these are very inspiring for me.